Welcome to the ultimate showdown of bad decisions. In today's compilation, we've got everything from drunk drivers who think they're invincible to rogue army tanks that have apparently gone AWOL. Oh, and let's not forget those fearless drivers who believe their phone call is more important than, paying attention to the road. Buckle up, folks, this is one wild ride through the world of driving gone wrong.
Watch closely as this car slows down, looking like it's about to yield. But wait, what's happening? Just as the dashcam vehicle gets close, it suddenly drives off. It's like the car had second thoughts at the worst possible moment. Here's a harsh reminder of what happens when a simple yield is ignored. Watch as this car barrels through the intersection, failing to yield, and the inevitable happens. The thrill of running a red light because who has time to stop, right? Watch as this driver decides traffic signals are more of a suggestion than a rule and nearly causes a crash in the process. Here we go. Watch as this driver treats merging like it's an extreme sport. With wild swerves and zero regard for personal space, they manage to gracefully touch a few other cars along the way. Just when you thought you'd seen it all, here comes a left turn that goes horribly wrong. Watch as this car makes a routine turn and gets to boned by. Wait for it. An army tank. Yep, you heard that right. Brace yourself for this one. An intoxicated driver barrels down the road, completely out of control. Watch in horror as they slam into traffic, turning a peaceful drive into a chaotic scene. Here's a lesson in why securing your load might be a good idea. Watch as this truck takes a turn, way too fast, and surprise, surprise, the car in the truck bed decides it's time to make its grand escape. Because who needs traffic lights when you can play chicken with a train? Watch as this car comes way too close to the ultimate collision, nearly running into a train at the intersection. Hold your breath for this dramatic turn of events. Watch as a car slams into the back of a Jeep. And in a flash, it flips over in a high-impact tumble. Watch this heart-stopping scene unfold as a trailer jackknifes on the freeway. It's a gripping reminder of how quickly things can spiral out of control on the road. That's it all for today. Make sure you're subscribed to never miss any daily uploads.